In this video, we'll see how to automate the creation and sharing of personalized documents with AutoCrat add-on in Google Sheets. AutoCrat is a flexible and easy-to-use document merge tool that creates PDF or shared documents from the spreadsheet data. It automates the creation and sharing of personalized Google Docs or PDF email attachments from the columns of data in a Google Sheet. It's very simple, so let's see its demonstration. Considering this as a sample database of employees, let's say we have to make letters for their promotion indicating their hike and salaries. And we have to create the same letter for different employees. For this purpose, we can use AutoCrat. Let's first create a template in Google Docs. And this is a generalized template that we need to send to every employee with the particular values of their IDs, name, hike, and the salary. So here we are using the formatting for the placeholders. These are the placeholders that will fetch the value from our Google Sheet database. It is a very useful functionality when we have more employees, like 100 employees. So we don't need to write their names and IDs again and again. But yes, it can fetch the value from the Google Sheets. This is the simple convention to use the placeholders. We have to use these triangular brackets at the beginning and at the end. Let's start running our AutoCrat. And the first step in AutoCrat is to give the name of our job. Let's say we are giving the job name as EMP Job 11 and we say next. Then we can choose already designed template from a drive, or we can create an example as well. So we can choose it from a drive. So we have AutoCrat demo template. We have selected the template and it is trying to fetch the tags from the template. Once we have fetched the template, we can say next. Select the sheet. This is sheet 1 and we will map the tags from the template to the columns in the sheet. So this is employee ID. This is, let's say, first name of the employee. This is the hike column, so we can select the column for the hike. And then this is the salary. And we say next. Any name. And we can also use the tag reference here. By clicking here, we can get, let's say this. If we click, we paste. So this is the name of the file that will be generated when we run AutoCrat for each employee. We say next. Now we have to choose the destination folder where we want to save our documents that will be created. So here we have selected a folder in my drive, that is AutoCrat letter demo folder. Then we say next. So these are the optional steps. We can skip them. This is for adding the dynamic folder reference, for setting the merge condition, and these are the optional ones. So here in the next step, we say share docs and send emails. So yes, we want to send emails. You want to send email of the employee letter as a PDF or an editable doc. It's totally a choice. So we can select PDF. And then to whom we want to send, we have actually the email column in our sheet. So we can directly choose the email column here and say paste. You can type the subject of the mail. And then again, I can choose a tag. So I say next. So yes, we can run the job from the trigger by pressing the button, or we can schedule our jobs on a particular times as well. Now, since the job has been created, we may run the job and it says running job. You can see that our job has been completed now. It has added these columns that yes, the letters are available at this link. You can see we have an employee letter with the ID, the tag we have used, and this has been successfully created and successfully emailed to the person. So here for reference, I have chosen an email wasan.jt@gmail.com. So we must have received a letter of the employee on this email, as well as it is actually stored in the drive folder that we have chosen during our process with the name employee letter underscore employee ID. So this job has been successfully. I have received a letter on watson.jt@gmail.com and it says employee letter underscore employee ID, and in the heading it says promotion letter with the employee ID. I can open it and I see that the tags have been replaced with the IDs, name, hike and salary. So this is a generalized template converted to a particular employee values using AutoCrat and have been emailed to the employee. So this is a very useful functionality for sending out the documents in bulk to various members where we have some text common and the rest of the text has to fetch some particular values from our database. Also, the letters have been created and stored in the folder in my Google Drive. So this employee letter that was mailed is also being saved as a backup in the Drive folder with the tags replaced with the particular values. So to summarize, AutoCrat is a very useful feature to send bulk information to different members like certificates, invites, letters, etc. Thank you for watching these videos. Stay safe and happy learning.